Do you have a quality Metlam Automatic Soap Dispenser installed in your bathroom? Metlam Automatic Soap Dispensers are designed and manufactured to the highest standard, and when well maintained, will continue to operate as intended for years to come. Let's show you how. Step 1. Using the correct soap. When choosing the correct soap for the Metlam Automatic Soap Dispenser, please ensure that you have checked the specification sheet to first determine if your dispenser is approved to dispense foam soap, liquid soap, or hand sanitizer. This is important as each model varies, so remember to check the specification sheets for the product you have installed to ensure you are using the correct soap. This will ensure that your dispenser operates at an optimal level. Incorrect soaps or liquids not within the nominated acceptable parameters may cause the unit to operate at a suboptimal level, fail, or damage the unit and possibly void the Metlam Australia product warranty. Step 2. When filling or refilling your Metlam Automatic Soap Dispenser, first open the dispenser using the key provided. On some dispensers with internal plastic reservoirs, you can remove the reservoir and pump from the housing for refilling. Where you refill the reservoir while situated in the dispenser, use a funnel and avoid any spillage or overfill, as this could damage electronics and internal components and void the warranty. If you remove the reservoir for filling, make sure that after you return the reservoir to its correct position, that you test the unit to ensure that it operates correctly. Step 3. Our Auto Soap Dispenser's infrared sensor is powered by batteries, which provide approximately 100,000 drops, 1 year usage. Ensure that the batteries are installed correctly. Refer to our specification sheet for the correct batteries. The light indication on the unit shows a solid blue light for dispensing and a flashing blue light when it's time to change the batteries. Step 4. Our Metlam Auto Soap Dispensers operate using an infrared sensor. To ensure that the auto sensor works effectively, it should be installed 200mm above the countertop. Ensure no bright source is aimed or reflected at the sensor from below, as this can automatically trigger the dispenser. In a situation that a dispenser is installed near an overly reflective surface, a trick to dampen the sensor is to cover the sensor with a strip of 3M Scotch tape. This tip will reduce the range of the sensor and assist it to only trigger the sensor when hands are placed close to it. Step 5. Cleaning your Metlam Auto Soap Dispenser. Never immerse the soap dispenser in water or clean it under running water. This will cause the unit to short circuit. Ensure you remove the plastic reservoir inside the dispenser for cleaning. Clean the reservoir using warm soapy water. So remember, ensure that you use the correct soap for our range of auto soap dispensers. Perform a regular maintenance and cleaning program. Deposits of old soap will lead to malfunction and jamming of unit. Never immerse the unit in water. Don't overfill the unit. Ensure proper installation of both the unit and batteries to ensure your soap dispenser operates effectively. For more information on how to ensure that your Metlam products stand the test of time, talk to our friendly Metlam team on 1300 Metlam or visit our website www.metlam.com.au.